Hello again. So today what we're trying to do is organize our Gmail inbox better in this era of digital classrooms by using appropriate filters. In this particular video, what we will do is we will filter all our Google Classroom emails and put them in a separate place so that they don't appear in your inbox and clutter it up. The first step is to find all those Google Classroom emails. For that, we will go to search and we will type classroom. That's classroom. And all these classroom emails come up. There are a lot of them. So now what we can do, we can click on any one of these emails. And when we want to create a filter, that is what we will do. We will create a Gmail filter. When we want to create a filter, we have to find something that is common among all of these emails. In every single Google Classroom email, this thing is common. See the email address it's coming from, but not the entire thing. Only the domain is common. That is the part after the @ So classroom.google.com, this part is common. So we somehow need to specify that this is what we will use to filter our emails. How to create a filter? Go to these three dots and click filter messages like these, and something like this will appear. There are many fields. We will need only one. What we will do, you see that we have already selected this email. So the email address that this email has come from is entered here. We will remove this part and replace it with an asterisk. So what the asterisk does is it's a wildcard character, and it selects all the emails that have this part, and the first part can be anything. Okay, so all emails that have this common will be selected. Now what we will do is we will ignore the other fields and we will say create filter. Now comes the main part. The first thing we'll do is we'll skip the inbox. That is, we don't want it to land in the inbox. So that's our basic goal. We don't want to clutter it. So we'll click that. I personally would also not mark it as important. So never mark it as important, because important emails are often skipped by filters, and that's not something we want. Then we will apply a label. What label we can apply? So we will create a new label and uh, name it, say, G Classroom. Once we've named this G Classroom, we press create. If you notice carefully, then on the left hand side, a label named G Classroom has appeared. Okay, so this is where all our classroom emails will go. How do we achieve that? Actually, we have done all that we need to do, but we will also select something in particular, that is also apply filter to matching conversations. If we select this, what will happen is all the emails that are currently in the inbox and match this criterion will be sent to that label. If you don't select this, if you forget to select this, then you'll have to manually add every single email to that label, and we don't have so much time. So you must select this and we will create filter, and it will take some time. Usually it will take some time, but once it does, what will happen is all these emails should disappear. You see this inbox label that is there, this inbox label will disappear. It will take time because there are many emails. As you can see, there are many emails, and after we are done, what will happen is all of those emails will be shifted to this label. Let's go here, see if it worked. Yes, see, now we are in Google Classroom, this G Classroom label, and it shows 216 emails. Right, so we have shifted all 216 emails in our inbox with this method. And now um, we won't be able to see any of these emails in our inbox. Remember, uh, at, after doing this, every single new Google Classroom email will automatically be shifted to G Classroom. So if you want to access those emails in any case, you can just click this label. You will be by default on inbox. You can just go to G Classroom, and those will display all your Google Classroom emails. Remember that since these emails are not landing in the inbox, you will get no notifications for these emails. But considering that you will probably also be using the application of Google Classroom on your phones, you will get a notification anyway. So that is probably not a great issue. If you are not using the Android apps or some other app, then you can just come to your Gmail and click on this label. Well, that's all.